Hello everyone, I'm Gaurav. Uh, and in this demo, I'll showcase how users can build video question answering application using EvaDB. So to give a high level idea of what application I'm talking about, so so we start with a set of videos and we run a speech to text model, in this case Whisper, on the audio content in those videos to extract the transcript. Once we have the transcript, we'll pass the question and this transcript as a context to ChatGPT and essentially get answer. So this is a very simple application that can be quickly built using a few SQL queries. So to begin with, we import EvaDB and get a cursor to the database system. Before I jump into the use case, let's look at the video. So 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 this video looks like a news video on Russia-Ukraine war, and let's see if we can quickly ask some questions on top of it. To begin with, we set the OpenAI key because we are using ChatGPT model. And now let's load the video into the table. So using the load command, we load the specific video into the videos table. Next, we need the speech to text model. So what we'll use is we'll use the Whisper model from Hugging Face. So in EvaDB, we have integration with Hugging Face. So what you can do is you can create a function. In this case, we call it speech recognizer. And we say that import it from Hugging Face. And then we specify the task, which is automatic speech recognition. And we specify the corresponding model. So it'll take care of pulling the model from Hugging Face and be able to run this model using inside your SQL queries. So let's run it. So we have the model. So it was already there in the database system. So we ship a free few built-in models to give the battery loaded experience to the users. So this is already there. Next, what we do is we run the model on the videos and materialize it to a table. So for this, what we do is we say that we call it text summary table, and we are creating a text summary table using this select query, which is running the speech recognizer on the audios in the video table. So this will take some time. So I've already run it, and this table is preloaded. Now let's ask some questions on top of it. So what I'm trying to ask is this video summary related to Russia-Ukraine war? And then I'm passing the text from the table. And this is just a SQL query. So we run it, and this makes a call to the OpenAI model and gets back the answer. So it says that based on the context, the video is related to Ukraine-Russia war, and then gives a little more context. In conclusion, we were able to build a powerful video question answering application using just a couple of SQL queries. A thing to note here is that in this demo, I just showed it for one video, but the same SQL query will just work if you have like a lot of videos in the same table. So that's very good for data professional because they don't need to learn like a new library. They don't need to learn about OpenCV or video processing, audio processing. They can just use SQL, which they're anyways aware of, to integrate these AI applications into their existing workflows. So this was just one example of video question answering. We have built a lot of and other sample example applications that you can just check out on our open source GitHub page. Thank you so much for your time. Happy hacking.